So this is the finished product of my recipe for today. This is noodle pizza. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going to make a new recipe. So these are all the ingredients, noodles. So I have half packet here, so I have to put all this one. And salt. This is sliced cheese. I use two packet of sliced cheese. And tomatoes, onions, garlics, coriander leaves. This is fresh from our garden, and this is spring onions. So I don't have available, so I get from here. And what is more, so water is already hot now. I'm going to put these noodles here. We have to cook this one half cook, like that. We have to put also half teaspoon of salt. So this is the boiled noodles. Then I put one egg, whole egg, and we put this one. And we put also magic sarap. And little black pepper. And salt, half teaspoon salt. And we have to mix all this one all. Tomatoes, onions, garlics, chives of onions or spring onions, and coriander leaves. Now we have to mix all. Mix natin lahat. Next, I put already cooking oil here. You can use butter or margarine, but I use 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Any kind of cooking oil, vegetable oil, and etc. And this is already mixed well. Now next, we have to put now this one in pan. Ibuhos na natin ito lahat dito. Ganyan. Now next time we have to do is we have to change this one. So I use this one. We have to flip because one side is already cooked. Yan. So we have to put again here. Ang ingay ng aso. Ang aso namin. Now we can put now this cheese. If you have mozzarella cheese, then you can put also Kraft cheese or any kind of cheese. So I have sliced cheese. I have only available cheese, sliced cheese. So I have to put this one. Now we have to cover now, and now we have to cook this one for 2 minutes. Now we'll check if already cooked. Oh wow! So we have to turn off now the flame. Yan. And then we can transfer this one in a plate. Now let's taste my noodle egg pizza. Bismillah, wala barakatillah. Sarap. Sarap. Yan yung cheese niya, oh. Tama lang yung timpla niya, hindi masyado maalat, hindi masyado matabang. Tama lang. Itong natirang slices sa kay Lakay, kay Fahad, kay Langga, kay Fatma. Kung gusto nila, kung ayaw nila, kainin ko.